The smart battery box will come with a strap. This is a heavy duty nylon strap with secure fast protect coupler. This helps secure the lid of the smart battery box to the base. Also, as you can see, there are wing nut style caps for the terminal. This makes unscrewing and screwing them to tighten down much easier than using a wrench. Also, what you'll be able to see is a carrying handle on the top here, very heavy duty and strong. There are also two carry handles on each side for heavier items that you feel more comfortable with two hands. As you can see up here, we have two integrated circuit breakers. One is a 10 amp accessory breaker that goes to the USB port, as well as a 12 volt accessory plug. And we also have the 60 amp circuit breaker, which is connected to both the terminal ports. You should be able to push and hold the test button to get an accurate reading of your battery charge level. To activate the USB port, all you need to do is simply connect your USB cord into the port, connect it to the device you'd like to charge, and simply press the test button. You should see the first LED blinking, letting you know that this has been activated and will begin charging. It'll continue to blink as it charges your USB device. If nothing is plugged in, it will turn off. For your 12 volt accessory plug, this is not needed. As soon as you plug in your accessory device into this outlet, it'll begin charging immediately. With the smart battery box flipped upside down, you can see 4 non-slip pads. These help prevent the battery box from sliding around, and you can see these are slightly worn from actually being used in our photo shoots.